Hi everybody, this is the Eurodollar weekly chart. Now, you can see we've had a bit of a to and a fro in this week. But you see how this 200 week moving average again cuddled the price. Yes, we did break through the little uptrend we were looking at here. We have broken above it. And as we go into next week, we are exactly at the monthly pivot. Now the monthly pivot comes in at 1406. So this is the level that you're going to have to keep your eye on this coming week. If we can maintain or break this pivot over the top of that, we have got the 21-day moving average or the 21-week moving average, and that's coming in at 1441. You've got all these little tops around here, and as you can see, they're just under the 1500 area. So if you look at where our first Fibonacci comes in at 23.6, it's coming in at 1517. You can see a couple of weeks ago we actually broke above that area and we went to 1570. So there is scope to trade higher. Although on that week we did close sort of mid-range. You can see it was an actual blue little bar. Now the close at the highs of the day on Friday is quite significant, I think. And I think that even though we've got a lot of mess to get through, I think that if we can maintain above that 1406 area, or at least try for it, then there's absolutely no reason why we can't go on and take out, one, the 1517 area, and two, the 1570. Now, the pattern that we've been seeing, as I've said to you previously, is quite a negative one in comparison. Next week when I do the monthly reports, you'll see exactly what I mean. But, you know, the Eurodollar actually has been holding in there, and it's been holding in quite strongly. So it's had a lot of muck shoved at it, but it seems to have, you know, recovered and not looked too bad by the time we've got to the end of the week. So what we'll do now is we'll take a look at the daily. Now you can see on Thursday how we dipped down and we closed below this line. Friday we didn't, we just went higher. Now if you look at the high on Friday, the high came in at around 1415. This is the 21-day moving average. We're already above the 55 and the 9-day moving average. We've only got the 200 one to contemplate really, and that, funnily enough, the 200-day moving average is coming in at 1587. So not far off where we've got to our 1570 highs. So that's the area really we will be looking to aim for. If it can stay and break on Monday above 1406 and again at the 1418 area, then I think it's going to go quite a bit higher. If you look at what we will be doing on Monday, our daily pivot point is coming in at 1373, the weekly at 1370. So you can see quite clearly that we are above both of these levels currently. But obviously it all depends on what happens Sunday night and whether or not the euro can maintain its strength. To my mind, it looks like it's tried for the downside, broke, got out the long people. The buyers were like a little bit shafted. It got out everybody that was long at that lower level and completely reversed back on Friday. If you look at our technical indicators, you can see that we have actually come up off the floor on Friday's price action, and this would suggest that we have further to go on the top side. Good luck. I'll catch you Monday.